Hey everyone, AKM is here. Welcome to episode 4 of the Directorist Client Showcase, where we highlight real website built by real Directorist user from around the world. In each episode, we explore unique directory website across different industries to demonstrate what's possible with Directorist. Let's jump into today's showcase. Our first website today is Global Ports Market, an industrial marketplace directory that connects supplier, products, and businesses on a single platform. Using Directorist, the website organizes thousands of listings into structured categories, making browsing simple and efficient. With more than 3,000 active listings, user can explore products, view specification, and connect directly with supplier. This is a strong example of how Directorist can power large-scale B2B marketplaces and industrial directories. Next up is 𝘬𝘭𝘆, a local business directory that helps users discover businesses and services in Margarita. Using Directorist, the platform structures listing into organized categories for easy navigation and discovery. Each listing provides essential business information, helping visitors quickly find services, locations, and contact details. This is a great example of how Directorist can support modern local business directories with a clean browsing experience. Our next feature is 𝘓𝑇𝑟𝑦.it, a professional directory focused on veterans and animal care services. Using Directorist, the platform organizes veterinary professionals and clinics into searchable, easy-to-browse listing. Visitors can explore profiles, view details, and quickly connect with the right services. This demonstrates how Directorist can power specialized professional directories for healthcare and service industries. Next is 𝘓𝘵𝑚𝑦𝑏ins, a service-focused platform focused on residential bin cleaning. Using Directorist, the website organizes services into a structured listing, making browsing simple and user-friendly. User can explore available services, check details, and quickly find the information they need. This is a great example of how Directorist can power service-based businesses directories with a clean and focused experience. Our final website today is 𝘬𝑟𝑗𝑛𝑡𝑖𝑛𝑜, a massive legal directory platform built to organize legal information and resources in Argentina. Using Directorist, the platform manages more than 170,000 active listings in a structured and searchable format. User can browse categories, explore legal resources, and effectively navigate a vast amount of information. This is an impressive example of how Directorist can scale to support extremely large directory platforms with thousands of active listings. Wrap up episode 4 of the Directorist Client Showcase. From niche marketplace to powerful directory platform, those feature websites highlight the endless possibilities you can create with Directorist. Every project brings a different vision to life, and that's what makes this showcase so exciting. Go to Directorist Power website of your own, share it in the comments, or submit it using the form below for a chance to be featured next. Subscribe to stay updated, and we'll be back soon with more inspiring website in the next episode.
Directorist, a revolution in directory solution.